In the previous video, we have learned about respiration and respiration in plants. In this video, we are going to learn about human respiratory system. Human respiratory system, as compared to plants, the animal respiratory system shows variety of respiratory surface or organs. It is a complex process. It brings about 3 steps. It is divided into 3 steps. That is inspiration, expiration, and exchange of a gas. The gases are transported by blood from lungs to all body parts. From lungs to all body parts. Respiratory system of a human. Respiratory system of a human is divided into 2 parts, upper one and lower one. Upper respiratory system contains external nares, nasal cavities, pharynx, nose, throat. Lower respiratory system contains larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and lungs. These all are organs. As I said, there are variety of respiratory surfaces as well as organs. These are human organs for the respiratory system. I have a diagram. It is a human respiratory system. Here the blue sketch pen or a blue colored underline one are upper one, and the names lined by red marker or a red sketch pen are lower ones to get correct identification. Here, nasal cavity, nostrils, mouth, larynx, pharynx, trachea, left lung, bronchus, right lung, alveolus, ribs, bronchioles. These all are organs of a human respiratory system. Nasal cavity, nostrils, mouth, and pharynx. These are upper respiratory system. Upper respiratory system's part. Larynx, trachea, bronchus, lungs, alveolus, ribs, bronchioles. These are lower respiratory parts. So the air comes from nostril, then nasal cavity, or it can be from mouth too. Then it comes pharynx, larynx, trachea, then bronchus, then in the lungs through alveolus. Alveolus are the end part of this trachea, bronchus, bronchioles, then alveoli. Here the lungs are, as shown in the figure, lungs are covered by rib cage. Ribs are like this. They cover the lungs into this finger-like projections like this. Now I will explain each part of this respiratory system.